Now, the age changes of this bone. At 3 ages we will consider: just after birth, in adult age group, and in old age. Just after birth and in old age, this is edentulous, that means without any denture. But in adult, definitely the teeth will be there, that is dentulous. Next is the position of mental foramen. The mental foramen will be close to the inferior border if it is a bone of just after birth, any baby. In adult, this is the position in between superior and inferior border, and in case of old age, it will go upward close to the superior border. Same will be about the mandibular canal. This was the mandibular canal. This was the mandibular canal, which will starting from the mandibular foramen. The position of this canal in case of children or just after birth, it will be again close to the inferior border. In adult, midway between these two, and in case of old age, it will go more close to the superior border. Next is the angle of the mandible. This one is the angle of the mandible. This angle of the mandible is approximately 140 degree in case of children just after birth as well as in old age. But in adult, this is 110 to 115 degree as in this bone. And the relation between the coronoid and the condylar process, these two will vary as well. Suppose in case of children just after birth, this coronoid process will lie at higher level than the condylar process. Will be like this. Though this is not bone of any children, but it will be like this. If we draw any line, so the coronoid process will be at higher level. In adult, as we can see here, both of them will be in the same plane, same level, or the condylar will be a little bit at higher level. And again in case of old age, it will be as same as that like the children. Another thing you have to know, that is the sexual dimorphism. Regarding sexual dimorphism, the main differentiating point is the angle of the mandible. In case of male, this angle of the mandible will be everted, that means will turn outside, and in case of female, it will be inverted. So this one, this is a bone. Suppose this is the, probably this is a bone of any male, because this is a little bit everted. And the muscular prominences here, these are the muscular ridges. This will be much more prominent in case of male. So this bone is probably a male bone. So this is all about your mandible. Please go through it. Hope